seeds. Already we have learned that endospermic seed and why we call non-endospermic seed? Endosperm is completely utilized, right, during maturation. So not present in that time, right? So another name, if not present, we call endospermic. Non-endospermic. So non-endospermic, another name is X-albuminous or non-albuminous, right? Non-endospermic, non-albuminous, X-albuminous, same. Albuminous and endospermic are same. Clear? See the definitions. No residual endosperm as it is completely consumed during embryo development. Whereas here the part of endosperm as it is not completely used up during embryo development. Right? Examples, pea, groundnut, bean, endospermic or non-endospermic? Endospermic examples. Coconut, castor, wheat, barley, maize, rice, right? These all are the examples of which one? Endospermic. Either, agar question hai, how many of the followings are endospermic or albuminous, और how many of the followings are non-endospermic, non-albuminous, तो आपके पास list ready होना चाहिए. Clear? First, non-albuminous in that pea, groundnut, even bean. Next, albuminous in that wheat, maize, barley, castor, rice, coconut. Clear? Now next, this line, not only for NEET, board, good set, when you solve that PYQs, you can understand how many times this line repeats frequently, right, previously. So, first over here, which word is given? पेरिस्पर्म. ऐसा लगता है very easy line. इसमें क्या है? But जब question आता है then trouble. Perisperm. It's not endosperm. Which word? Perisperm. Perisperm, that is persistent nucellus in some seeds. Remember, these are the key words. First, perisperm. Second, nucellus. And third, that is present in seeds. Fruit लिख के दे तो wrong. Clear? See, in some seed, seed is the modification of ovule. Ovule has nucellus, yes or no? Generally, during that embryo sac formation, nucellus get reduced, right? That's why inside the embryo sac endosperm is formed. But in this black pepper and beet, right? Black pepper and beet के seeds के sections ये तब पता चला in that remnants of small amount, right? Very small amount of nucellus is present. Nucellus generally not present in this after fertilization. But here after fertilization, still that some amount of nucellus is there. तो उसके लिए एक न्यू वर्ड डिराइव किया है, दैट इज दी पेरिस्पर्म. पेरिकार्प लिखा तो नहीं, इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? हाँ, याद रखना, ये है पेरिस्पर्म. और परसिस्टेंट क्या है? न्यूक्लियस लिखा तो लिखते हो, स्टूडेंट्स लिखते हैं वही, इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ. पेरिस्पर्म, persistent nucellus, सिर्फ इतना लिखा, हाफ मार्क. What is perisperm? Pass, right? And persistent nucellus, it's not complete definition. You should mention in seeds of black pepper and wheat. Clear? Understood this thing? Sure? Right? So perisperm, repeat everyone. Perisperm is what? Persistent nucellus in seeds of black pepper and wheat. Repeat. Persistent nucellus in seeds of black pepper and wheat. Repeat. Persistent nucellus in seeds of black pepper and wheat. Clear?